town of Smithtown, New York. 2 hours before the heavy snow bands. It's around the start of the hour, 5 o'clock. It's a little bit hard to see the snow here. Let me zoom in. Yeah, there. It's so peaceful out here. I mean, this is the only car that is, well, it's the plow. This is the only plow that's gone by in like 30, 40 minutes. They're definitely prepared. Well, the streets aren't that bad yet. So we got a lot of slush forming. That's going to turn to black ice in just about an hour or two. Oh, crap. Okay, I better get inside. The wind is starting to kick up. I hear it. Oh, God. Yep, I hear it. Go, 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 go.